Hi, in this video I will explain how to create an Excel dynamic table using Power Automate. I have a couple of videos regarding the subject, but this answers interest me to make another video regarding that same subject. Okay, so there are some certain formulas we can apply and try to create a dynamic table. Okay, for that I'm going to use a manual trigger and I'll show you my Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I got some rows and headers. So my header details are ID, name, and postcode. Then the row values. Yeah, there is no table here, and it's called sheet 2. Okay. Okay. Next, we need Excel Online Business. Then create table. Okay. OneDrive for business. Again, it's in the OneDrive document library. Then the file I need to select. That's under Flow Demo Employees. Okay, now I need to uh, put the table range. So for the table range, I need to put the formula. So that's the formula I need to apply here. So the 103 subtotal of 103 means 103 finds the blank number of rows. So that's the formula you need to apply part of this function. Okay. Then A1 means starting, my row value starting from my header. So that's why I put A1 actually there. Right, now the table. So I'm going to put employee as EMP as the table name. Then the column. The column is ID semicolon name semicolon postcode. Okay, and next I'm going to use again the same connector and use the list rows actually. List rows present in a table. Okay, so here I'm going to select again the same file. Then the table. Okay, the table, I need to click on the enter custom value. Okay, and then select the dynamic value from the previous step, which is name of the table. And then I'm going to leave all the other options here because I don't want to filter anything here and order by all that. I leave it to you that if you want, if you got another requirement to do that, you can, of course, you can fill all that. Okay. Next step, I'm going to add a compose and get the value. Okay, let's try to run this flow and see what we are going to get. Okay, I got an error. Oh yes, so see, it's sheet 1 it is, and my Excel sheet, it's called sheet 2. That's the reason it's failing. So let me correct that. So that's sheet 2. So you need to make sure your worksheet name should be, whatever the name is. The default is always sheet 1 actually. Okay, so sheet 2 here. Okay, now I can run my flow again. Okay, it looks like the flow ran successfully now. So you can see now, it's ran successfully and I can read the data from the list rows step. So if I click on show row input, here it is. So all my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, it's retrieved. Okay, let's inspect the Excel file also. So here you can see it has created a table also here. And under the table design, I can see it created a table called EMP there. Yeah. So this is another technique to use uh, the formulas to use the table range to create dynamically the Excel table. A big thanks to this user who found this formula and shared to the community. Thank you so much.